Hi guys, how to add a product to Warrior Plus. I'll just quickly show you. This is one of 3 in a series. You have to put the product, the offer, and if you're doing a downsell, they don't do downsells, but they do coupon codes. So there's 3 in this little series. So how to get to this screen is you go on the vendor and go to product, and then it'll say a green button, add new product. So I've done it already, just for speed. So my new product is how I manifest my managements. I've added a picture from the computer. The category, again, it comes down with a drop-down menu. So basically you click, say, affiliate marketing or social media marketing, if it's something like that. And again, the keywords, if you type in a keyword, it'll give you a list to choose from. Okay. Right. So is it a video or is it an ebook, or is it both? It isn't a webinar. The access URL is the document, the link to the document that it's on. The admin access info is the same thing, which I haven't put in yet for security reasons. It's always going to be for personal use. There's no additional terms, and I usually put a refund. For this instance, I'm just putting a refund of 7 days. Always put a support email, so if somebody wants to ask you a question, they can. Always claim ownership. You've got to have made this one yourself. So this one is $47. So you have to put it in twice, otherwise it'll come up and say you forgot to fill this bit in, which is what I just did. Select the PayPal account, which I'm not going to do for security reasons. They don't need the phone, address, or country. It's not recurring product, so you don't need that. Commission rate is 50%. That doesn't exist. So once I fill that in, I can press save and you can go to the next video.